Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to review a product called Branalyzer. It is the best alternative to the SEMrush and Similarweb. It gives you a lot of things you can do inside this tool, and the very good thing about this tool that it gives you exact data whatever you need. So let's talk about the tool that we call Branalyzer and what things you get with this tool. So it has a lot of things. You can get any brand summary, brand API, brand SEO, brand history, keywords, backlink, brand competitors, brand stock pages, brand technologies, brand malicious, social media, email, and you can also local hunter means you can also get local keywords, SERP hunter, backlink hunter, and free hunter, keywords hunter, even expired domain. So if you want to search for a backlinks, like you want to search for expired domain of target.com, then you just put target.com and it will show you all the expired domain that are linking to the target.com. So let's talk about the pricing, and then I'll also jump into the dashboard of this tool, and I also show you how does this tool work, and we will also see the real time things that how we can do everything. So it comes with a free plan. In the free plan you can get 10 searches per month, unlimited backhunter, free backlink checker, limited expire public domain hunter, limited local 10 hunter means you means that you can search for the local keywords. So on demand, and all these things are not included in the free plan. Then the support is also 3 to 5 days for free plan, and you also not get to the API integration. Then they have an individual plan which is for entrepreneurs and the small businesses. It costs to $39 a month. It gives you 100 searches per month and everything that gives in the 39 raw and all that. The support is also very limited. Then then you have then currently they are running an AppSumo deal where you can get all a lot of things for life. Let's talk about the other pricing plan. They have a business plan for small businesses. They have an enterprises plan. So in this business plan you get 250 searches per month. In a large business agency you get 500 per month, like, and you get also dedicated account manager, email support. Here you do not get any custom branding and all that, right? So it is also running an AppSumo deal, and let's talk about this AppSumo deal. If you want to go with this tool and you want to purchase it for life, then the lifetime deal link of this tool is in the link of this video, and the deal may be expired anytime. So if you're watching this video later, then I would suggest you forego its monthly plan. But if you are watching this video right now and deal is going on, go and grab this deal. So what their AppSumo deal is, it costs you just $39 a month. You get everything. You can see low cost alternative to SEMrush, Href, Similarweb, and Hunter.io, right? With this you can get, these are the main feature of this tool. Okay, you also get everything. This is like, we'll jump into the dashboard of this tool and we will also check how it works, right? So lifetime access to Branalyzer, all one brand analyze software plan, all in one, right? Then you have 60 days time. You can get 60 days to try this tool, and if you do not find this tool useful for you, you can get it refunded within 60 days. So in $39 plan, this is the $39 plan where you get 100 searches. Here you also get 100 searches, right? So this is something limited to. But if you stack more codes, with the two codes you get 250 searches per month and you get access to two team members. If you stack four codes, you get additional business plan details, like you got access to three team members, 500 searches per month, advanced SEO, export result in CA, brand PDF report generator, right? This is the tool. They have a very good roadmap. Also I'll show you their roadmap. They have these are things are in progress. Here you can see a lot of things are in their roadmap. A lot of things they are adding everything, like the next future. You can track your competitor, ad search, brand search, advanced filters, keywords industry, lead list, benchmarking. They also launching a desktop application. You can also create folders, language support. They are also doing their affiliate program, user experience affiliate search. So you can also get an affiliate search, SERP feature data, seasonal keywords, mobile app, ad payment option, guest post service, backlink for all countries of a domain, gives SEO tips. These things are coming in their roadmap. So let's jump into the inside of this tool and check how this tool is going to work for you and how it is useful and what benefit and feature you will get in the tool. So let's check this tool. I'm logged into my dashboard, and for this purpose, United States of America, we will select this country, and then for this example, we will analyze appsumo.com, right? And we'll see, view curious, we'll see how things work, what things it shows to you, and is it really useful for you or not, right? So let's click on this link and then we will see the everything. You think you get a lot of things to do, right? Here you can see brand summary. So this is how their title is, their description, domain name, when this website or this brand was founded, marketing, advertising, number of employees, locality Austin, country Austin. Here you can see their social media link, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, and Pinterest. Then their business info. Here you can see that business marketing, the traffic is 519,000, right? Then you can see average. This is checkout revenue, right? Then they have average order value and their monthly revenue is 2.9 millions according to this tool, right? This is their brand summary. Then we'll go for the brand API, right? So we can see in the inside the brand API 500 519,000 traffic, average revenue, average card value, their monthly revenue, right? These all are the things. Then we go for the brand SEO. This is their MOS detail, like they have a 59 DA, 56 PA, links, and this rank. Moz rank, right? Then this is their majestic info. You can see all these things inside here. Then we'll go for the brand history. That what is the history of this brand? So here you can see in 2021, it is showing from 9/7/2021 11. Like this is here you can see traffic. This is their traffic. Red one is traffic. Yellow in one is their visibility. Then green one is their keywords, like they are almost ranking for more than 60,000 keywords. Raise keywords, down keywords, new keywords, out keywords, and ads. You can see that how many ads they are running for, or like 41, and you can see everything their history, brand history, right? Then we get brand keywords for how many keywords this brand is ranking for. So here you can see position is 9, mail hot, pixeler, type, and let's check the is it really ranking for that particular keyword or not, right? So let's type this typed. It says that for typed it is ranking on second position in United States. So here you can see we'll just click on type, right? And then we'll see is it really ranking for that particular keyword or not. Okay, although we are searching it here, but here you can see it is ranking for this keyword at, we can see this is fourth, one, two, three, and fourth. It's ranking on fourth number. So, and it is getting them 19,000 traffic per month. Then let's check out this Millhot. And this, the data this tool is gives is really valuable and really accurate in terms of, as this tool is really new. Mail hot, we search for the keyword mail hot, is really AppSumo is ranking for this keyword or not. So in it says that it is ranking for ninth number. So we are in India, so it may be a position up and right. So it is ranking for 11th number in the India, right? And this keyword alone is getting them almost 5 lakh traffic per month like this. So here you can see top 10, then you can search for 100 of their keywords, right? And you can get a lot keyword ideas from this tool as well. Then let us see how their brand backlinks, and we will go for this backlinks. Here you can see their backlinks history, you can see where they are getting the backlinks, right? Referring domain 9,000, total cost domain, paid position, paid domain. It says total paid domain, right? Here you can also find their emails, and these tools are referring them, and this is the traffic, their organic traffic, their DA, their PA, their CF, their TF, email, and you can also compare them. And price, it says price of this particular tool, right? Let's see brand competitor of this brand. We will check the competitor of this brand. Like you can see, these are the competitor that are this competitor of this particular brand AppSumo. Okay, then we go to the brand top pages, the top pages that are generating traffic for this tool. Here you can see this page alone, blog AppSumo business email example, is ranking for 3.5 thousand keywords, and it has a potential traffic of 60,000 traffic. So let's search for this term in the Google and check is the data accurate or not. So the keyword term is business email example, right? We'll search business email example, right? Let's search for this term and see at what position this AppSumo is ranking. Here you can see it is ranking on third position. Here you can see it is ranking on third position for business email examples, right? So the tool is very accurate and it gives really accurate data. You can search for each and every keyword. Here you can also potential traffic, like let it say alternative to Photoshop. Okay, so this is their page which is ranking for this particular keyword, right? Here you can see. Okay, let's search for alternative to Photoshop. Alternative to Photoshop. Okay, this is it's a really great accurate tool, and it gives you really accurate data. So let's see at what position. Here you can see at third position. I would not count this at the first because this is features. So for at the second position, 10 best alternative to Photoshop for graphic design, and this tool is ranking for this particular keyword, right? There are a lot of, here you can also analyze this particular page, and you can also check their 100 of their pages, that for how many keywords, for how many traffic these pages are ranking for, right? So it's a great tool, and it gives you really amazing data, grammarly alternative, and a lot of things. You can do a lot of things inside this, and you can also check the keywords. Like this particular keywords ranking was 3,000 plus keywords, right? Then you can also check the technology the brand is using for, right? They are Microsoft using, they are also using Impact for their affiliate programs, Google Analytics, Google Ads, Facebook Pixel, LinkedIn, and all these things. You can also check everything, CDN and all that. Then you can also check that is there any problem with this tool, malicious things on this tool or not. It false means there is nothing is malicious, right? Then brand social, you can also check their brand social. It is their app, their LinkedIn, Twitter, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, and TikTok. So they don't have a TikTok page. Then you can also generate a brand report. So we are not on we are not on a business plan, so I cannot generate this report. But let us see how does it work. Here you can put your logo, because since we are not on, it will say that I am not on a business plan, or therefore I cannot add a logo. But even nonetheless, it generated, like let's put my domain, my website URL, my logo, and we'll put it here, right? and will generate a branded, like you can see this tool, and then I can generate this PDF report again. Okay, so click on generate PDF, right? And then we'll see that it generates a branded report which will be very useful for you, like if you are an agency and all these. Here you can see it generated a report. Here you can see it's my logo, the domain, the brand history, brand SEO, brand history, the keywords it is ranking for, right? It gives you a beautiful generate PDF report which you can serve to your clients. So it also have a, like this is their brand backlinks, this is their backlink history, right? So it's an amazing tool. It gives you a lot of things you can do. Apart from this, you can also get brand email, right? You can also get the emails, like their emails. You can see their emails here. It's like hunter.io. Then you can also local hunter. So in the local hunter, you search a keywords for particular country, right? Surf hunter is you put something and then you search for that country. Backlink hunter is something like you can look for backlinks of this domain, right? Here we'll get a lot of things. If I put on this search, then you it's free hunter. If I click on this, it will give me something, some idea. Like, can you see this? Yes, this is something you can get inside this, right? Then keyword hunter, put some keyword, analyze for this country, and it will. Let's put this keyword alone. Okay, we'll check it. Let's search for this keyword. Let's search for this keyword, and then this will gives you an idea that what keyword this potential have this keyword, how many domains are ranking for this, what is the position of the SERP. So you will get all idea after doing this search. And this tool may be new or mine, like here you can see position. So you can you can filter it for position one, right? You can also get a lot of ideas from suggesting keywords. It's an amazing tool. First position, second position, then you can see third position. AppSumo blog is ranking for PADA favorite, and then you can see the price, right? You can compare, click on this, right? When I click on this, it says it gives me some domain added to a list or something like that. So here you get that what are the top pages that are ranking for this keyword. We can search for at least 50 pages at one go. You do not need to search on Google a page by page. You just put a keyword and you can search 100 pages at a time. Then expired hunter, right? They here you can search for any domain and it will give an idea that is there any expired domain or not. I hope after watching this video you get a lot of idea. You get to understand that what this tool is and how powerful this tool is. And if you want to try this tool, then click on the link below of this video and get their lifetime deal. You can stack as many as codes you want to. You can at least you can stack up to 4 codes, and then you get everything. You can generate a branded report. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like this video, share it with your friend. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe for this channel so that I will help publish whenever I'll publish a video, we'll get instant access to that video.